All right, NX1 real quick tips here from David at Above AVL and Learn Stage Lighting. On the NX1 consoles, you are able to fader swap. And what that means is you basically take what's on these buttons here and you put them on the faders. So these buttons, when they're in playback mode, long press to go to playback mode. And these faders, they actually switch places. But how do you do it? Why would you do it? And why does it matter? Well, there's going to be a couple ways to do it. The most primary way to do it is that it's literally just here on the screen. Now, I don't love relying on touch screens during shows, but it actually shoves fader 1 and 11. It switches them. In fact, if I just record something on fader 1, and then we'll do it again on fader 2, done. And then I hit this button, they flip over to the other side. Say I go and record something on fader 10 here, which is actually playback 20, right? They will flip. Everybody flips. It's all good. That's the simple of using it, but how do you use it and why would you use it during an event? Well, a couple things. First of all, I don't love having it only on an on-screen indicator. I think it's a little too easy to fat finger. Especially during an event, I don't want to have to focus that hard. So I would recommend putting it on the F keys, and it is in the F keys, I believe. So let's see here. We'll go to, we hit edit, hit our F key, and then we're going to go ahead and go to commands, playback control, playback fader swap. So I can put it on the F key, and there it is, on a function key, swapping those faders back and forth. Now, the deeper question might be, I know this is a short video, but that's okay. Why would you use it? Well, on the buttons on playbacks 11 through 20 in the Onyx software, I like to place things that you may adjust intensity control of on occasion, but not really all the time. What kind of things could that be? Well, that could be things like your hazer playback. Say you've got a hazer playback, either cycling on and off or at a given level, and you want to, Q1, Q2, turn it on, turn it off. Maybe you have it auto cycling, but you may want to adjust the level of that fader from time to time. There's a few ways to do it. It's a little tricky, but it is totally doable. That's a great thing to put there. I also will put, blinders and different effects, things that I want to toggle on and off, and I may occasionally want to adjust the actual fader level, but not all the time. That leaves open the rest of my 10 faders for other good stuff. If you enjoyed this, you'll enjoy everything we have inside of Learn Stage Lighting Labs because we have the complete guide to everything Onyx between our courses Onyx for the Complete Newbie and Advanced Onyx. So if you've ever wondered about any of these things and you learned from this, check out our free trial. It's free. Okay, number 2, when you need to buy stuff, come over to aboveavl.com. We are your place, the nice people who love to quote things out and give you your personalized price, help you get exactly what you need the first time. If that sounds good to you, head over to Above AVL, check out some stuff, add it to your cart, request a quote. We love to help. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.